Hey guys, welcome to Robin's Library Time. Today I'm going to be teaching you about oxygen. So, oxygen is mostly found in pure form in the atmosphere, and each water molecule has two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So, the northern lights are streak of light adorn the sky by atoms of oxygen in the air are hit by streams of particles blasting from the sun. So these lights come from the oxygen which are hit by the sun's light, and the oxygen tank contain at least enough oxygen for a person to breathe for 2 hours underwater. The biggest one has at least for 2 hours, and oxygen gas has flammable that burns hot enough to melt metal, and hot steel have impurities that are burnt away using pure oxygen. When the oxygen are lit, it removes all the impurities. An Atlas V rocket had the rocket carries liquid oxygen that mixes with fuel to produce hot gases which help the rocket lift off. So inside an inside a gas, what happens is actually they have some potassium gas inside the cylinder. So when you breathe in oxygen, the oxygen will go in, and when you breathe out, the carbon dioxide goes through a separate pipe, reacts with the potassium, and then and comes out pure oxygen. Plants release oxygen in sunlight, which are sometimes used in flames, and 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 sometimes where places are very hot, like the Sahara desert, hydrogen molecules hit the oxygen by forming only a few drops of water. And now oxygen is the most common element in the earth's crust. Oxygen and its compound make up half of all rocks and minerals on our planet. In atmosphere, pure oxygen makes up around one-fifth of the air. This element is a transparent gas. Life on Earth depends on oxygen for survival. Animals breathe in air to collect the oxygen in it. Our body cells then use that oxygen to break apart sugar to release energy which powers our body. So, if you want to try an experiment, you can do it that take a glass and take a matchstick. Take a coin also, then bend the break the matchstick and hold, and it should not break total, it should not cut apart, it should stay straight, and then put some water on a plate and take your matchstick, put it on the plate, and then put the coin on top of that so that the matchstick is facing up. Light that, and then take a glass and put it on top of that. So the oxygen inside that will stop burning, it will like go off, and it will start sucking water so that it can take oxygen to start burning. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. See you guys next time with another video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.